Are you still trying to blend your colors like this, smudging back and forth until your vibrant colors turn into a muddy, blurry mess? It's frustrating, it looks messy, and it's keeping your art from getting that smooth, professional finish. This is the Smudge tool, and it's about to change your life. In this video, I'll show you how to master this little hand icon to get flawless gradients and textures every single time. So here's how it works. Step 1. Place your colors next to each other. Step 2. Tap the smudge tool at the top. But here's the real secret everyone misses. The brush you choose for smudging matters just as much as your painting brush. If you use a soft airbrush, it gets blurry. If you grab a textured brush like a chalk or acrylic brush, you get gorgeous painterly transitions. I even made some specialized blending brushes. I'll link them in the description for you. Now, instead of rubbing frantically, use light sweeping strokes in the direction of the shape, gently pushing the colors. Watch how beautifully these colors blend together, keeping their vibrancy while creating a perfect soft transition. And here's a pro tip. Look at the opacity slider on the left. Lowering the opacity of your smudge tool gives you ultimate control, letting you push and pull the paint gently for delicate highlights or fluffy clouds. The smudge tool is a total game changer for adding atmosphere and painterly textures to your work. It saves you time and gives your art that high-end look. If you found this quick tip helpful, let me know in the comments. And if you really want to learn how to master blending in Procreate, then consider joining my Patreon. There are more than 250 tutorials, and you'll even get a special workbook about blending.